All right, fourth graders. Today for our screencast, we are going to review our multiplication facts, review expanded form, and then we're going to utilize the area model of multiplication to complete one digit by two-digit problems. All right, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to review is what is expanded form. And if we remember, expanded form is when we take a number in standard form, such as 86, and we break it up based on its place value. So we look at the 6, and we know the 6 is in the ones place. So we have 6 ones plus, because these two numbers are together, the 8 and the 6, are 8 tens. And 8 tens, we know if we add all of those up, add 8 up 10 times or 10 up 8 times, that's equal to 80. So expanded form is breaking that number apart based on the value of each digit. All right, so let's practice 42 in expanded form. First thing we do is we look at the ones place. That is a 2. We add our plus and then the 4. We know the 4 in the tens place means 4 tens, and 4 tens added together, 10, 10, 10, and 10 equals 40. So our expanded form would be 40 plus 2. All right, so step 1 when we do the box method is to expand. So we're going to look at 43. We've got 3 in the ones place, plus, just like before, our 4 tens, which is 40, times 2. Since 2 is a single digit by itself, we keep it the same. All right, step 2 then. Step 2 is to draw our box. So draw box. We're going to draw our box, put it right here. And then on top, we're going to put our bigger number, which is the 40 plus 3. 40 plus 3. So step 3 is moving the 40 plus 3, which is 43, to the top. And then we're going to move our 2 onto the side. And then wherever we see a plus sign, we draw a line straight down. All right, this is where we're going to practice our multiplication. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our 2 times 40. 2 times 40. So if we know what 2 times 4 is, know that 2 groups of 4 is equal to 8. We add our 8 and then we add a 0 because we know our tens. So 2 times 40 is equal to 80. Then we're going to move over to our next box of 2 times 3. 2 from here, and then our 3 from up here. 2 times 3 is 2 groups of 3, which is equal to 6. All right, and then our last step is to add our first box to our second box. So we're going to line that up over here, 80. We're going to add 6 in our ones place. 0 plus 6 is 6, and 8 plus nothing is 8. So our answer is 86. All right. So today we reviewed our multiplication facts, we reviewed expanded form, and then we learned the area model of multiplication to complete one digit by two-digit problems. If you need more help, go ahead and rewatch the video for assistance.